Hey everyone, Norm here from International Motor Cars. Next to me is this beautiful Lamborghini Gallardo. Now in the process of moving some vehicles around in our showroom, the battery in the car went dead. So today I'm going to be doing an instructional video for you guys on how to properly access the interior of the car to access the battery, as it is a little bit of a challenge. Join me and I'll show you the first step. So on the driver's side door handle, you'll see underneath here there is a little keyhole. However, it's actually impossible to actually fit your key in there to turn the key manually. So what you're gonna have to do is, this little flap right here is actually removable, and I'm gonna show you the process to do that. However, I will give the forewarning, it is a very finicky piece, and you've really got to take your time and be delicate removing it. So with that said, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the process. Gently lift up the door handle, and this piece slides down like so, and then pops out. And I'll just show you guys the little clips here so you can see it is a very delicate opening. Very delicate. That now exposes the keyhole. Step number 2, insert your key in and turn to the left. Pull back out, and your car will now open. Step number 3, with the door now fully opened, reach in the driver footwell and pull open the front trunk release. Step number 4, gently reach just to the left of your Lamborghini logo. There's a little release right there, and lift up the front trunk. Step number 5, hook up your battery charger to the battery located in the front trunk. Obviously the red goes on the positive terminal and the black goes on the negative terminal. Go ahead and turn on your battery charger and let it sit for probably, to be safe, an hour before you try starting your car. Step number 6, insert your key like normal. Depress the clutch if you're lucky enough to have a third pedal, and fire up your beautiful V10 engine. So I will add this note, as you can see the traction light is on in this car. This is very normal after your battery goes dead. And what I would do is recommend taking the car for a very short drive. It should reset the system, honestly, within 100 feet, and if not that, very quickly. If it doesn't reset, obviously, you can look into taking it to a diagnostic center, but I almost guarantee that that little light there will turn off almost immediately. Step number 7, now that your car is running properly, gently pull back the door handle, very carefully insert this piece from the bottom and slide it up, and it's back in place. Step number 8, remove your battery charger, gently close your front trunk, hook it in place, and take that beautiful Lamborghini out for a drive. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful or informative in any way, please drop us a like, hit that subscribe button, and stay tuned for more. Also, if you'd like to see us do more instructional videos on interesting cars like this, as we run into scenarios like this around our showroom, also let me know in the comments below and I'll make it happen for you.